Keeping cool with English. The story behind cool as a cucumber. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind a popular English idiom, cool as a cucumber. This phrase is not only vivid in imagery but also rich in meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your daily conversations. The phrase, cool as a cucumber, is used to describe someone who remains calm and composed, even in stressful or challenging situations. Imagine a cucumber in a salad, cool and fresh, unaffected by the heat around it. Similarly, a person who is cool as a cucumber is someone who does not let the surrounding chaos disturb their peace. They maintain their coolness, showing no sign of stress or agitation. Delving into the history of cool as a cucumber, we find its roots in the fact that cucumbers tend to remain cool on the inside, even when it's warm outside. This characteristic of cucumbers has been observed and appreciated for centuries. The idiom itself has been in use since the early 18th century, appearing in literature and spoken English to depict calmness and collectedness in a person. Understanding how to use cool as a cucumber in sentences can help you incorporate it into your everyday English. Here are a few examples. Even when the deadline was approaching fast, Jenna remained cool as a cucumber, finishing her work efficiently. In the middle of the heated debate, he stayed cool as a cucumber, presenting his arguments clearly and calmly. Despite the chaos at the airport, she was cool as a cucumber, patiently waiting for her delayed flight. Knowing idioms like cool as a cucumber enriches your English vocabulary and helps you understand native speakers better. Idioms add color to our language and convey meanings in a more vivid and imaginative way. They also reflect cultural insights, making your communication more nuanced and interesting. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and usage of the phrase, cool as a cucumber. Idioms like this one are a fun and integral part of learning English, offering a peek into the culture and creativity of the language. Keep practicing, and don't forget to stay as cool as a cucumber in your English language learning journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.